Hey y'all, Matt here from Summit RV. Today I'm taking you inside the 2020 Jayco Eagle 357 MDLK with the modern farmhouse interior. It's just going to be a quick video of the inside, the outside, go over a few options and features that it has. So you can see as soon as you come in the door here to the left, you have the stand-up dinette. You have two chairs here now, and you have two more chairs that store underneath the main bed. Here you have the triple window. All three of these windows do open, and you have a nice big window here on the side of the slide out that opens as well. I'm moving on to the entertainment area. You have a nice big TV here. You have three cabinets over top. You have your Furrion soundbar beneath that. And even below that, you have your fireplace. Moving on to the rear, you have the couch that pulls out to make a bed. You have power outlets and USB ports on both sides of the couch. You have windows that open on both sides in the back as well, along with this big rear window here and three cabinets over top. You can see here you have a ceiling fan that sits over top of the living room area, and here you have a Jess that she's sitting in the Stacy Stewart heated massage recliners, taking full advantage of those. Above her here you have another big window here. The bottoms of those do open as well, and you can get a great view here of this modern farmhouse interior. You have your stainless steel microwave and oven there. You have your double-sided refrigerator that's also in the modern farmhouse. This modern farmhouse is just really great. It's white, it opens everything up, but it's accented with gray in all the corners of it. I'll kind of show you that here. Also in here you have a storage closet. So great place to store vacuums, brooms, anything like that, all your cleaning supplies. Here you have the island. You can see here you have a lot more storage here in the island. You have a power hub here. You have two plug-ins and two USB ports here as well. Push a little button. This does hide away. You have your double-sided stainless steel sink, and this is a new feature that the Eagles are putting on there. This is fresh water, a fresh water pump. So basically you have a 5-gallon water jug down here below that you can store. This is going to give you fresh water, so you don't have to bring water bottles along with you. Another great feature here that the Jayco Eagles have, you can see there's no air conditioner that is in here because they use what's called a whisper quiet air conditioning system with their HELIX ducts. So basically, that's just a fancy way of saying their air conditioner is going to be high output with low noise. Now here is this is a mid bunk, so you have your couch here that pulls out to the bed. You have a bunk over top of that. You have your entertainment area here. It's already got a TV, and you have more drawers and storage there, and also a desk. Now coming on here through the back of the camper, you can see you have your loft area. In your loft area, you're going to notice you do have a window, and you have two power outlets here on top on both sides, and you have storage there in the back. Coming into the bathroom area, you can see you have a nice backsplash here, stainless steel sink. You do have a medicine cabinet that opens up. You have your bathroom with a sit-down shower. Your skylight there. You have another storage closet here, so you can store your washcloths, towels, cleaning supplies, all that. You have a full porcelain toilet. As you can see, as soon as you come into the bedroom, you're going to notice you have a king-size bed. So you can sleep two in here very comfortably. You have your TV right across from the bed area. You have a chest of drawers here. Here's going to be another closet area. Now you can use this as a closet, or this is where your washer and dryer will go if you want a washer and dryer. And you have a nice walk-in closet here with hanging bar all the way around. Coming back to the hallway, you can see you have a window here that does open, and it has slide blinds here. And this is a new feature for the Jayco Eagles as well. There's an all-digital readout here, and you can control everything with your camper right from this readout. And they also have an app you can download to your phone and control the whole camper right from your phone. Coming outside, you can see it's got the oversized handle, the solid steps. You see it's got the big Jayco all aluminum rims. You have a awning on the slide out, and you have another big awning here on the outside. You see it has all frameless windows on the outside. It's another great feature, and I'm going to show you a quick look inside the outside kitchen here. So you can see you have a bigger refrigerator. You already have an outside TV, and you have an outside grill. So that's just a quick look at the 2020 Jayco Eagle 357 MDOK. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Come on out and see me.